Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be showing you how I went from no lashes to these cute natural looking lash extensions at home, all by yourself, DIY. Stay tuned. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Tashima if you're new here, and I purchased these lashes from Amazon, $15 honey, and look at all these lashes. They came in these little clusters that are very convenient because I tried the individual hairs and maybe it took me so long to do my lashes, I could not. So I'm using this little dish to put the lash glue in. I purchased this lash extension glue from Amazon, this lash bonder from Amazon as well. I will have all these products linked down below. This cotton swab to apply the lash bonder and the lash brush, and this kit with the tweezers I purchased from Amazon. I will have all of this listed down below. I'm using that little bit of glue and I'm going to apply this full set of lashes. So this is what the clusters look like, and I used the 15 millimeter on the end and the 14 on the inner corners. So I'm just going to start out by making sure that my lashes are brushed out and as straight as possible. All of my lash technicians that I've been to have always said I have very, very curly lashes. So I did the best that I could. So you just take the end of that cluster and you place it inside of the lash glue. Make sure the glue gets on top of the lashes because you're going to be applying them underneath your natural lashes. So to apply these, you do not place the lashes on your lash line. That is very important. You place the lash on your lashes, on your hair. Please do not attach this glue to your skin. It may cause irritation. It's going to itch because I accidentally put one of the lashes on my skin one time and it irritated my soul. So make sure you place it on your actual hair. This video has been edited for your viewing pleasure, so do not get discouraged. It looks like I'm doing this very quickly, but I am not. I'm taking my time and I'm making sure that I am placing that lash just right. Trust me, I'm not showing you all the times that it did not stick. So we would have been here forever. So you just take that lash cluster, you dip it inside of that lash glue, and you place it underneath your natural lashes on your actual lash hair. Y'all, I can do my lashes probably about 7 or 8 times for only $15 versus the $80 that I would have paid for a full set. So you can't beat that. I would suggest folks learn how to do this at home because it's super easy. Not knocking my lash techs because we will get your money, but not mine, okay? These are super cute, super natural. I really don't like the super full, super thick, super long lashes. That is not for me. So I'm doing these very, very simple, very natural looking. At first, I'm placing the hairs or the clusters kind of far apart, and then I'm going to go back at the end and fill in some of those blank spaces to make them look a little bit more full, but I'm not going to overdo it. This is cute, but it's not full enough. So I'm going to go back and place a couple more clusters just to make them look a little bit fuller. So as you can see, I'm just filling in some of those blank spaces to get the desired look. Make sure you like this video, comment down below if you like this kind of content. I will be doing more videos like this, more hair tutorials, more vlogs, more lifestyle. So stay tuned for more videos. I just wanted to do my lashes. I needed to do my lashes. I haven't worn them in a very long time, so it was time. This is my first time using these lash clusters from Amazon. So far, so good. I really like them. So I'm going to give them the wear test and I'll let you know how they hold up. But this glue and this bonder I have used when I've done the individual hairs, and it lasts for a long time. So this is good glue and lash bonder if you want to try that. But I will let you know how it matches with the lash clusters that I've purchased. So I thought they were really cute at that point, but they still weren't full enough for my liking. So I'm going to go back and add just a few more clusters to make them as full as I wanted them. And I think they turned out super, super cute. And it was easy and convenient and cheap. I'm going to take my lash brush. I'm going to brush them out just to make sure that they're full enough. Because sometimes when you start brushing, you can see like the gaps in your lashes. But they are super cute. They turned out perfect. So I'm going to go in with that lash bonder that I placed on this cotton swab, and I'm just going to go underneath where that lash glue is just to bond that glue. And that's the finished product, y'all. I think they turned out so cute, so natural, and I absolutely love them. So I'll let you know how these lashes hold up, or how the clusters hold up, since this is my first time using them. And yeah, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. We are growing. We're at 318 subscribers, and I am super, super excited. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.